Hello everybody, and welcome to week 3 of your Gen 201 class. Well, we're almost halfway through with the class. Amazing how quickly everything flies by. These weeks just move so quickly. Week 3 is probably the week that you have been waiting for. This is the week where we concentrate on goal building, effective skills, study skills, solutions for student success, how to build grit, and these also include motivation, decision making, time management, organization, personal and financial health. Once again, we move on with that, building grit, and taking ownership of your own success. Okay, that's a very, very interesting article, and this is a tremendous video. I think you're really going to enjoy this. This is the week where we're going to tackle the hurdles, I should say, for time management as well as stress management. I know these are two vital concerns for new students, and you voiced that, many of you voiced that in week 1. In week 1, we discussed the resources which the university has available to our students. And we also discussed how to become a successful student. In week 2, we went on further and continued to discuss this, as well as communication and the importance of communication, interpersonal communication, netiquette, as well as student code of behavior. And now we move on to that ever important week 3. Okay? In week 3, you are going to have some options on the assignments, and we'll discuss this in one moment. So I am actually going to show you first the required learning activities. Again, 3 chapters from our text. A tremendous video. I really think you're going to enjoy this. Do you take ownership? Very, very interesting article. Do you take ownership for your successes and your failures? How many people try to blame others for their failures? Very, very interesting. Time management tips that will certainly help you become better organized with your time, and time and stress management. You'll notice there are also a number of recommended learning activities. Taking effective notes, very important. Memory and studying. How can we improve our memory? How can we become better students, improve our ability to study? Performing well on exams, something that I know many of you are concerned about. Carol Dweck does a video here, The Power of Believing. Okay, and then you have your electronic reserve readings, as always, and your faculty feedback, explaining how you can go in and find your feedback from week 2. Many of you are doing, I'm hoping all of you are doing that at this point. We have 3 assignments again in week 3. Of course, we have participation, a minimum of 8 substantive notes across at least 3 days in week 3. And I think in week 3 you shouldn't have any trouble finding topics for discussion. Overcoming obstacles. Time, stress, and management. This is a worksheet, and this worksheet gives you overcoming right here. And I think I can actually pull that up better here. I'm going to see if I can move this down and open the worksheet. Here we go. I'm going to bring this in a bit. Come on, help me. Here we go. There are 3 portions to this worksheet. The first portion, again, be sure you complete all 3 parts to earn full credit, is time management. Here are 3 questions relating to time management, and we're asking you to please answer those questions using 100 to 200 words. Okay, we want 100 to 200 words, everybody, for this section alone. The next section, managing stress, is all about how stressful college can be for many. And here we're asking you to discuss the sources of stress in your life, positive coping strategies, and we're going to be talking about all of this in the learning activities, and a plan to help manage stress. Again, 75 to 100, so I can get that to go, there we go, 75 to 100 word summary. And finally, here's where you have an option. You are going to access, select 2 of the following common student problems, and you're going to be talking about them: accessing the class resources, financial responsibilities, internet connectivity, or finding time to complete assignments. Only select 2. You have a choice, any of these 2, and then respond. Okay? Again, 75 to 100 words. All right, and we are going to go back to week 3, and I'm going to move this over. And your second assignment in week 3 is the payoff of persistence. Again, this is interesting because here you are going to write an essay. You're going to use all of these under student materials to thoroughly complete your essay. You're going to write 1 SMART academic goal, 1 SMART professional goal, and then you're going to explain how you can apply grit. Okay, and then you're going to submit this to the assignments file. Now here again you have a choice. You can write a 200 to 350 word personal essay, okay, using Microsoft Word, or you can do a 1 to 2.5 minute video using the recording tools that you're familiar with. So I will accept either one. Just be sure that I'm going to, please, if you're going to do a recording, let me know in advance so I know what tool you're using, and I will be able to open it and view your video. Okay? One or the other. No need for both. Okay? So then we go back, and week 3, again, 3 assignments, which are all due a week from Monday. Okay, everything's due Monday night at 11:59. And once again, welcome to week 3, and I will see you in the learning activities.